Everyone knows that good kidney health helps us have a great quality of life. Even though most of us ignore the importance of our kidneys, they are constantly getting rid of the fluids and toxins that make our body sick. Due to this, kidney failure can cause serious health consequences. In most cases, the disease is not detected, and the main symptoms such as blood in your urine, high blood pressure, and fatigue only appear when the renal insufficiency is already advanced. Some people only realize that they have kidney problems when their kidney function is 25% below normal. Because of this, it's important to detect the symptoms as soon as possible to keep the chronic problems from developing. Here are 7 symptoms that will start to appear when something is not completely right with your kidneys. 1. You start peeing more often. Going to the bathroom more often, or not as much as normal, may be a sign that your kidneys are not working like they should. 2. Your urine changes. The color, odor, and texture are characteristics that can let you know if your kidneys are having problems doing their job. Foamy urine, urine with a strong or unpleasant odor, a burning sensation, and blood spots in your urine can all be a warning sign indicating an infection or chronic problems. 3. Fluid retention or inflammation. Bloating, whether it's accompanied by fluid retention or not, is a symptom that appears when your kidneys are having a hard time filtering out toxins and producing urine. If your feet, hands, legs, abdomen, and face show abnormal swelling, then you should see your doctor. 4. Lower back pain. You know that pain in the lower part of your back? People tend to think it's due to poor posture, but it can be kidney problem related. Recurrent pain in the lumbar region or on one side of your body may be a sign of problems with your renal system. 5. Extreme fatigue. When your kidneys fail, it's very common for patients to be tired because your body produces less erythropoietin, which is the hormone responsible for the creation of red blood cells that transport oxygen and nutrients through our body. If the levels of this hormone decrease, you may feel sick, suffer from anemia, or have trouble concentrating. 6. Rashes. Did you know that the toxins that aren't filtered through your kidneys end up in your bloodstream? This can affect your skin by altering your skin's normal oil production. 7. High blood pressure. High blood pressure may happen because your kidneys, when healthy, stabilize the potassium and sodium levels in your body. In fact, they also keep your tissues and arteries from becoming inflamed. That is why it's important to consult a doctor and monitor your blood pressure to see if your hypertension is being caused by kidney failure. Do you have any of these symptoms? Now that you know about these warning signs, you'll be able to take better care of your health because the sooner you diagnose the problem, the better your recovery will be.